So hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's video, I will show you how to fetch communication details maintained in Business Partner for both dependent as well as independent communication. So what is independent and what is dependent communication? So I will just show you where it is, where we can see this independent and dependent. I'll open BP. Here I will go to my business partner. Let's say this is my business partner number. And in the address overview, if you scroll down, you can see this communication, and here it is dependent to independent. So this is a dependent communication address, and if you scroll down, this is independent communication address. Now what is dependent? So let's say this is my address. So this dependent communication is maintained for this address. And coming to the independent communication, it refers to the communication details that are maintained at the business partner level. So these details are common for the business partner and are not linked to this any addresses. So these are common details. Let's say this is my main HO office address, and let's say this is the, for example, just for example, this is one of the plant location. So the address and communication address for this plant is this, but if you want to contact HO, then this is the main address. So now we know that in table level we will not get both the addresses at the same time in same table. If you want both the address, how to give the logic to fetch this both the address at table level, so that we'll check in today's video. So I will quickly open SA16N. I guess it's open only. Yeah. So see, uh, first I will go to BUT 000. As we all know that, so business partner general data is stored in BUT 000. Once I will enter my business partner number in this field, I will click on execute. Once I clicked on execute, we will copy the address number of this uh, address or of this vendor. So if I scroll down, yeah, so as you can see, address number. So the address number for BUT 000 is 863. So I will copy this somewhere. Let's say uh, for BUT 000, the address number is 863. Now we have one more table, LFA1 table. So as we all know that supplier data is stored in LFA1 table. So I will come back. Yeah, so here I will enter LFA1. I will give my supplier number over here. Click on execute. Yeah, so if I'll double click on this, again I will scroll to the address number field. ADDRESS. Yeah, so address number is 504. So I'll just copy this 504 over here. Is LFA1 is address number is 504 and BUT 000 is 863. Now, if as we all know that ADR6 is the table for getting the addresses. So I'll quickly open ADR6. Now if I will pass this 504 in LFA1 as address number, what details we'll get? Okay, 504. Execute. Yeah. So see, we are getting Bharat Petrol at the dependent.com. So I will just quickly show you in the business partner. So from LFA1 we will be getting the dependent address of that dependent communication of that address. So this is the address, and the dependent communication is Bharat Petrol at the dependent.com. So here we will get the email address in this field, as you can see over here. See, Bharat Petrol at the dependent.com, Bharat Petrol at the dependent.com. Now if you want to check the address, like if you want to check the independent communication for this business partner, the what we'll do, we'll copy this PUT 000 and I will open the both the addresses, so 504 also and 864 also. So for that we need to click on this more button and pop will, it's taking some time. Yeah, so here I will enter both the address number and I will pass this, I will execute this. Yeah, so now as you can see, both the email address are getting captured over here. So this is my independent address which is coming from 863, as you can see over here, 863. And if I scroll down, see Bharat Petroleum independent.com, Bharat Petroleum at the independent.com, and Bharat Petroleum at the dependent.com. So this is coming from 504, which is our dependent address. Now if we'll open table ADRC, let's open table ADRC and we'll pass both the address number in that table. Let's see what details we are getting. Okay, ADRC. Here I will pass both the numbers 863 and 504. Execute this. Okay, so see, in 504 you are getting the name, Canada, postal code, so address which is maintained. So this is for the communication address. And if you want to check the telephone number, so in this we are getting the telephone number as well. So if I will show you for dependent, this was one telephone number 9756 xxx 122, 9756 xxx 122, and for independent my telephone number was 2345 xxxx, which is this 2345 xxx. So in this way we will get the details from table level. So if you want to give the logic to the developer for getting the both dependent as well as independent communication addresses, then you can provide a logic to him that first we should pass the BP number in BUT 000 to get ADR the address number, and then same business partner should be passed in LF11 to get the address number. Then once we get the address number of both from both the tables, we'll pass that addresses to ADR6 for getting the mail ID and ADRC for getting the telephone number. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad for more such SAP videos. So thank you for watching.